Hey Umar, my name's John Erickson. Thanks so much for having me read for the role of Finn. Looking forward to working with you. Looks like a great script. Oh, by the way, I'm 6 feet tall, and I live here in Los Angeles, California. Thanks a lot. Molly, what's going on? What do you mean? Who's outside? What? Don't. There's someone outside waiting to kill you, and their number is on your phone. You just talked to them. Why? How did you know? What is happening, Finn? I'm sorry, Molly. Sorry for what? You weren't supposed to find out. It was just supposed to be random. What? Stop talking riddles. Tell me what's happening. I hired someone to kill me. What? Why would you do that? No, don't. You don't get to use Charlie's death like that. That's not fair. It's too hard, Molly. Every day, every moment, all I ever think about is him. Reliving every moment, every smile, every tear. No matter how hard I've tried, I can't stop. No matter how hard I've tried, I can't forget. I can't move on no matter how much I want to. Now I just want the pain to stop. And I didn't want you to blame yourself. So I thought if I made it look random, it would be easier for you. Easier? How could you possibly think that? I love you. You don't think there's a moment that goes by that I don't think about him too? You've always been stronger than me. You always will be. No, you're not doing this. You're not leaving me. I love you so much. Then don't do this. We'll figure it out. Finn, baby, we'll figure it out.